12:18. Apparently we're going on a road trip. What can you tell me about the trip?
You'll be surprised.
How long will the journey be?
Less than an hour.
Huh? I have no idea where we're going. We are at Sunway City.
That's why packing no need stress. If you forgot anything, you can just go back and take.
So stay for tonight. Oh, pretty. This is our view of Sunway Lagoon. I don't want to get sunburned. I'm wearing a cover-up over my swimsuit, some shorts. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's my first time here. And this is the terrace dining. You can actually walk out from the hotel directly to the lagoon. I didn't even know this feature existed. So I always get sick when I ride the pirate boat, so Keryn is doing it himself. I 看你能够钓到几时。哇 that's a long hole. Okay.
我都没去。
It's playing the Monsoon 360 itself. So they gave us 2 glasses of prosecco on the house. I love it.
Just enjoy.
Thank you. Lamb saddle together with chimichurri sauce on this side. So lamb cube and also corn puree for your beef Wellington.
I will be cutting the Wellington for you today.
wrapped together with mushroom duxelle. It's the brown lining inside. The green lining is parsley cream. On the outer layer will be golden puff pastry, served together with pommes puree and also red wine on the side. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh boy. 宣传嘛。还在外面呢，叫那个女孩子拍照。
Rise and shine. It's Sunday. And we plan to go to Nanyang for lunch later. Pro tip, they have one small pillow and a huge one. At the start of the night, I was like sleeping my shoulder and my head on this pillow and I couldn't sleep at all. The pillow just gets so flat. At the end, it managed to be quite comfortable when I push my shoulder against the pillow and sleep on the contents. So hope this helps.哇，我闻到那个醋的味道，
还有酸辣粉这样子。老板。